How to use voice control on iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. At first, open settings on your iPhone, then tap on accessibility. Scroll down a little and tap on voice control. Now turn on the voice control toggle. Then tap on commands. Here you can see all the ready-made voice commands. If you want, you can create a new command. Type the command name, then set the action and save it. You can set the command confirmation on the screen by turn on or off this toggle. You can turn on or off the command sound. You can also on off showing hints in the screen. Then tap on overlays. You can see the item name overlay is showing on the screen because item name is selected on here. You can change this to item numbers, numbered grid, or none. Finally, turn on attentions toggle. This will take your voice command when you look on the screen only. And that's it.